labo nesi ke bekatse babhekisha khona ke esibhedlela lesahulumende lesilapha ke eMangayane bavetile ukuthi ke banetikhalo letiningi kakhulu labacela ukuthi ke litiko letempilo limaneke letisebenzi lokufaka ekhathi ukuthi bathi tincane ke dona ke tisebenzi kuso lesibhedlela nekuthi ke baphathi babo ke futhi bayashota kanti lokunye labakuvetile ukuthi kude ke yona ke imithi etibhedlela lokuyinto lekwenta ukuthi kusebene kwabo ke kuwe phulungu kanti netigulane natifikile adikhona ukuthi tisitakale kahle induna etiko tempilo bese yatiphendule dona ke letisebenzi induna ke ivetile ukuthi litiko tempilo ayikahlali ke phansi kojana tonke letikhalo labatitfolako bayatisebenza
siyadiva letikhalo siyabuka ukuthi sente njani kunengilele sikufuna sikwaddress kuletintfo leti tikhalo temithi akuloko siyakwathi sibe netinkinga letiningi bese sitintfo tingcono saba netinkinga letiningi ma deliveries but i-Central Medical Stores iyachubeka iyadeliver siyati ke lokho ukuthi akubi ngiyo yonke imithi ihlala khona lokushodako tikhalo tenu te-safety angikubeke nje kahle ukuthi i-safety priority yethu sine njengelitiko letempilo safety yetisebenzi taka-health is a priority ngoba naningekho safe ningakhona ukusebenza safely then angeke sikhone kuniketa civil service labayifunayo so siyakhulumisana nema-security forces kakhulu ngalele kwendekile le bekucala usikwendeke kabuhlungu kangaka
Simpiwe Ngwenya ke lokhulumile tona ke letisebenzi uthi tebatisebenzi batawudama ukuthi basebenzise tonke ke tindlela ukuthi bavete tona ke tikhalo tambo
things that the nurses have been complaining about, chief of them being the police brutality. And then what makes the nurses to be like they are, like you can see what they're doing. Actually, first of all, it must be known that they are not protesting against whatsoever is happening. Instead, most importantly, they are protesting against mostly and vitally the police brutality, and on which there is nothing that has been done to give assurance to the nurses that it is going to be addressed. We have had a lot of nurses that have been brutalized. I think my brother can attest. You've been to these government institutions like this ones, whereby it has always been very, very painful that a gogo that travels million miles away from where they are to come to the hospital to seek for medical treatments, they cannot get anything. It's only a Panadol and then they go back. Do you think about these monies that these nurses, these gogos of ours pays to come to the hospital and then they get nothing, then they go back there? So it's about the distribution of medication, of which there's not been here in the hospital for quite some time. And I cannot even count how many drugs have been out of stock and stuff. And then we've been trying to make the administration to see and address those issues, but unfortunately no one has bothered to address those issues. Number two. Number three, shortage of staff, my brother. It has always been a problem. Sometimes the nurses work up until they have been out, but still no one wants to take care of what is happening.
Induna ke ivetile ukuthi yathokota ukuthi dona ke letisebenzi tetikhathalela dona ke timpilo ke tebantfu kungako baveta letikhalo wacela ukuthi kojana namabathi veta ke tikhalo abangawuyekeli kumsebenzi wabo baphindze balandzele dona ke indlela etifanele kuthi ke bavete ke tikhalo tabo etindzabeni temsakato iMaswati Channel ngingeri Carlos nacela impilo Dlamini siseMangayane.